My name's John Lusty. I'm a business partner at Bentley Systems, so I'm speaking more from the vendor side of things, but that's not my agenda. Brett raised some very good points around what Fiatech is doing. So in the interest of looking elsewhere for lessons learned elsewhere in the industry, we might look at the plant world as well, because building a major commercial facility really isn't fundamentally all that different than building a power plant or an oil and gas plant. And Fiatech was born out of that world of frustration with incompatible file formats and incompatible data and work practices in different trades. So, as we look to improve collaboration and we look to improve communication between the trades, one of the things that we're going to need to focus on, and maybe for the technical committee, is how do we get the systems to work better together as well. There's got to be a universal data file format for the building world. And the plant side of things, it's ISO 15926. And that whole I-Ring project has moved very, very far forward in Western Canada, where I live. We had a lot of scar tissue a few years ago trying to execute some major projects using different trades from around the world in different countries. And we learned a lot of things in that space. So I would suggest that there's probably a lot of road rash that the technical committee could benefit from that has been worked on elsewhere. That so we're not reinventing the wheel, so to speak, right? So there's a lot of learning to catalyze the relative newness of the BIM efforts in Canada just by looking at what other players in Canada have done.